Hi there, another bloom of the day. Look at this beautiful Saucer Magnolia. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's go see the flower, the actual flower. Look how big this flower is. Now that's something. Look how big those flowers are. Can you see how gorgeous that is? And look at even the buds are so pretty. Mammoth flowers, so gorgeous. Anyway, have a beautiful day, everyone. If you enjoy this content and you are interested in learning all about plants from a designer's perspective and how to use them in an artistic way, consider becoming a member of my new membership channel.